Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I love crafting. I have really enjoyed watching videos during lockdown, which has given me inspiration for craft projects and home decor. I am so thankful for people who have taken the time to share their ideas and advice. I think it's amazing. If you want to do something like make a pom-pom, paper flower, you just go onto YouTube and watch exactly how to do it. I thought, how kind of people to do that. Maybe people would enjoy some of my ideas. So here I am. Today I've decided to show you some cards that I am making for this Christmas, which I think are really cute and super simple, but very effective. So I've just showed you some of the cards that I've already made, and now I'm going to show you how that can be done. So most of my supplies I got from the works, the buttons, the cards, so it's all really cost effective, but you can get things from the range, pound shop, all sorts of different places. So I just have to glue the buttons on to the card. I put them at different levels, different colours, but the beauty of this project is that every card can be different and personalised. And you can do whatever you want. You can have as many buttons on as you want, or as few buttons on. You can have all the same colour buttons. It's really up to you. So that's the beauty of it. You get to choose for each card. You can even personalise the cards by writing on people's names for them, which I think is really nice. So I think people appreciate getting homemade cards. So there they are, glued on. Now we turn them into baubles. So I get a gel pen and I just draw a bauble topper on. I'm just going to do that for all of the buttons. Okay, and then you just draw the baubles going up, and they can be wiggly, straight, no major artistic effort in, which makes these cards really quick and easy to do. You can keep the little bows on the baubles all the same colour, or I like to add a bit of a Christmassy touch by having a bit more red and green. I'm sort of colour matching, but you can do each bow whatever colour you like. But you can see how easy it is to do it, and there's the card pretty much made. You can then decide what you're going to write on it. You can use sticky letters if you felt like you weren't very happy with your own writing. So I'm going to go for a season's greetings. Okay, and that's the card pretty much done. I like to add a bit of embellishment on, so I've got some holly that I got from the works also. It's just got a little sticky pad on the back, and I just think, well, that just looks really pretty in the corner. And then just to balance it out, I like to stick something else in the other corner. I've got some stickers I got from the pound shop, so I'm going to put a little Father Christmas in this corner. And it just, I think it just sets the card off, just finishes it off. And then inside you can write your personalised message. I've got some stampers, so I just stamp one inside. You can stick letters in and all sorts. So there you go, another card made. I have posted a photo montage of all the other items I've made for Christmas and winter, so please have a look at that video. And if there is anything in there that you like, post a comment. If I get any requests, I can do a DIY video make on that to show you how I did it. I've really enjoyed making this card. I hope that you think, wow, that's simple, I'll have a go, and I think you'll be pleased with the results. Thanks for watching. See you next time.